Hi. It's a beautiful day here in south central Nebraska for, what is it, the 4th of February? And 70 degrees today. Incredible. I just thought I'd get out to take a walk today. I'm in an area that is open to the public for hunting, fishing, trapping, things like that. But I'm just coming out to take a walk and take advantage of this beautiful day. I didn't really come prepared for any subject matter other than to just get out, maybe film some things. But I thought today would be a good day to get out and just show you about some of the areas that I have access to. This is about 2-3 miles from my home. It's part of the Republican River drainage and river drainage, and it's pretty wild here. It's wide open. There's nobody here. It's of course a weekday. It's a Thursday, but I'm retired, so I can spend my time out here doing this stuff. I guess I'm just going to mention February. February in this part of the country. You see, this hasn't been touched much by anybody. There's no gathering of wood in here allowed. There's no ATVs or motor vehicles in here allowed. It's all walk-in only. Hunting, fishing. Look at that tree. Look at these trees, how big and how long they've been here. Oh, about tripped. Oh, I did trip, about fell. Beautiful 7-degree day today. And just a great day to get out. What do you do on days like this when there's no gardening to do? There's no the February doldrums. Oh, what a perfect place to sit. Look at this. It's almost like made for sitting down. This video is going to contain a whole lot of nothing. Just showing you the outdoors. The beauty of untouched river bottom land. Pretty cool. This is what grows here. We don't have many trees that stay. We have a few cedars and things like that stay. I don't know if you'd call that green or not. But it's a type of cedar, or it smells like, what is it? I don't know if it's a cedar or it's a, oh God, I'm probably not on getting myself on camera enough. I'm trying to get used to using the back camera because it's better for filming. And I know that sometimes I'm not probably in frame. I'm working on that. You can hear the wind through the trees every now and then. Look at this. There's some evidence of some critters using this. You see where he's been walking around here, some kind of tracks. See how dry it is here. We haven't had rain and hardly any snow to speak of in a long time. There's some wind going through the brushes over there. Little gust. Wide open sky. We had an old tree up there, all dead. Looks like a neat place for a hawk or maybe a bald eagle. I scared a bald eagle out of these trees when I drove up. I was hoping maybe he'd still be in the area. I could catch him in flight. I used to be a big hunter. I used to hunt a lot. A place like this I would have taken full advantage of. Turkey hunting. I'm sorry if I keep getting you out of focus or out of the frame. I used to turkey hunt a lot. I used to duck hunt a lot. Bird hunt mostly. But in my old age, I've gotten soft. I have a hard time wanting to kill anything anymore. I'm not against it for people that want to do it. I know it's conservation and it helps control populations and things like that. So if anybody says anything, I'm not against it. Just as I've gotten older, it's just my choice. I just don't have the heart for it. Gotta become a big softy. You can see walking through here is really a lot of down trees. It's pretty wild. You can see there's a trail that comes through here. Could be deer, I guess, but whatever it is, has to duck down under this limb. So I'm thinking maybe coyotes or something smaller. Look how that thing just snapped right off. I just thought I'd take you along for a walk today. Very dry. Made a video a while back that maybe I did. I don't know. I talked about it. Maybe I just talked about it with my wife. I don't know. About how we don't take the time to be quiet, to quiet our minds, to do this. Spend a little time resting the mind. I spent all morning on this beautiful day taking care of an email I needed to take care of. My point being, I should have been out here earlier. It's just too nice to be worried about that stuff. I'm out of shape. I shouldn't be winded. I haven't walked much. But that's what we get caught up in. I'm retired. I should spend more time doing this. A lot of times, I have to admit, I spend way too much time on my phone, way too much time on TV, way too much time on nonsense. I know a lot of people are better at this than me, getting out and spending time walking every day, taking the time to have that quiet time to themselves. I guess I don't do it enough, and I realize that about myself. I get too, complacent, lazy. But it doesn't take much to get out here and take a short walk. Like I said, I'm only 2 miles from home right now. And hey, look at this. This is cool. This is look at this hollowed out log. I'll bet something uses this. Look at that. Goes back into there. I don't know, is there anything back there? I can't see very well. There sure could be something back there. Is there like nesting material or something? A bed? I don't know. Well, I thought I'd just take you along, show you where I live, a little bit of where I live, the kind of habitat I'm in. Like I said, that's way back there is the Republican River. This whole area, back in early 1900s, before the dams were constructed along this river. This whole area was underwater at one point. There was a big flood, giant thunderstorms in northeastern Colorado, up in southwest Nebraska, or northwest Nebraska. And the rains all funneled into this valley. And they say from valley to valley, from the hill to hill, these hills are back there quite a ways. If you can see, I can zoom up on them. There, up there is a hill. And then it's all flat land down through here. All the way through here. And you can't see it really, but on the other side, all the way through there, it's hard to tell. There's another hillside that goes up. It's probably 2-3 miles across. This all became flooded, 2-3 feet deep, and lost a lot of lives, a lot of livestock. This is the road going out, and I saw that eagle right up there when I was coming in, right up on those trees. You can hear the wind. I don't know if you can hear it, but I was walking along this road and just looking at all the tracks. You can see here a bunch of deer tracks along here, and then we got turkey tracks. A lot of deer tracks. And that other offshoot of the river is up here. Even though it's such a nice day today, it's 70 degrees. You can tell it's been cold. It wasn't 2 weeks ago, we were minus 10. So that's what everything's still pretty frozen. But comes under the road here and continues over here. I hope you like this little video. It's not much with it. No information, no knowledge to share. Just me walking in the woods. I could do more of this. There's a lot less preparation than this than doing some of those how-to videos, which honestly, I'm probably not the one to learn from. I'm approaching it like I'm just going to show you what I'm doing, whether it's failing or succeeding. Look at this. Look at this tree. Look at that thing. This thing's huge. I don't know if I can give you perspective on how big this is without killing myself. Oh, okay, look at this. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, there was some fire in here at one time. Well, I'm going to get off of here, get out of here, get on with the rest of my day. See if I can get out of here without hurting myself. Oh, my knees. They're not the same. Oh, like fox prints down here. All right. I'm out of here. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I'll bring you back here again sometime when I have something to talk about. So, take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.